do want to learn programming in a fun way, and that to the fastest growing language, which is Python. So here we are. Welcome to PyGorithm. My name is T2S, and in this series, you will learn the language from start to end. The only prerequisite here is your time. Nothing else. If you're not done programming before, that is completely fine, because in this series, we will start from scratch. So you will understand the language fundamentals, you will understand the syntax, and not just that, we will also focus on concepts. So this Python series will be fun to learn and freely available, so you can learn the entire language for free. I will try to make this session as much as interesting as possible with the help of defense staff. So I hope you will enjoy the series, but make sure that you subscribe to the channel before going ahead, and also share with your friends, like everyone learning programming.
Welcome to the world of programming.